camera. Good morning. It's a very exciting day. But first I have to go get a new car because, well, not get a new car, but I got in a car accident. Somebody hit my car. Okay. I got my rental car. I just drove home. That took like 3 hours. It's supposed to be 11 o'clock. I think it's like 10:50. I work tonight, so I need to go to sleep, but I have to wake up at 12 to get ready. So I'm going to take a 2-hour nap. Okay, bye. Get ready with me to buy a house. We have like 45 minutes to get ready, so I'm going to do the cutest, quickest makeup ever. Okay, because I already knew I was... Hold on, my realtor is calling me. Yeah, I closed today at 2 p.m. It is 12:15, but the place is like 25 to 30-ish minute drive. So, and I'm not gonna be late because I already, like 2025, that was my goal, to not be late. Ooh, I already know it's gonna look good. 2025, it was already my goal to not be late, and I got better, but what screams more grown than buying your own property, having your own house, having your own asset? Which means, babe, gotta be on time. Not playing. So yeah, I had been looking. I knew last year that I wanted to buy a house. I actually wanted to get one the year before, but I was kind of scared just for like all the responsibility that comes with having a house. And I feel like I didn't understand it as much. Like, it's always something I wanted to do, but I feel like I had to do more research. And I was travel nursing, so it was just, there's a lot of things. I'm gonna make a separate video on how all that went. But yeah, I feel like the timing was right for me to get it this time, and then that's actually what I did. But I'm like so excited because the house is literally like me in a house, if that makes sense. Like, well, I won't say me in a house because it's not my house, but it's just me. It's perfect for me for right now, so I'm excited. I took my time. I figured out what I wanted, and I really found something I like. I bring my bud from the closet, which I'm sure it'll take like an hour to do all the things, sign all the papers and all that stuff. My realtor is meeting me there, which is so nice because he's just like the best. He is the best. So I'll do that. And then I have to drive to the new house because I have to pick up the keys and all that stuff. And that's like another hour from where because the closing is at like a title company. So from there I'll drive to the new house, and that's like another hour away. And then from the new house I'll drive to my boyfriend's house, and that's another hour away. So it's not an hour. It's like, well, from the new house I'll drive to, because I have to go to work, and my boyfriend lives close to my job. So it's just a lot of things, but yeah. And then I have to be done all this at least by 6 because I have to work. The other thing though is like, I'm not prepared to move at all. Like, I don't even have all my stuff packed. Like, the only thing I've packed up is like majority of my closet, and that's it. I was supposed to get all that done this past few days, weekend, but I was so sick. I had the flu, I had strep throat, I had gastroenteritis. I was down for the count for a week. Like, I had to call to work. It was a whole bunch of stuff. But I'm finally feeling back like myself. Like, yesterday I felt a lot better, and today I feel like 90%. So I feel like 88%. So, but I work the next 3 nights, so I have to save all the moving for this weekend, which is kind of annoying. But I have a good group of people in my corner, and they're just gonna come help me move, and I'm really excited about that. It's so funny because my siblings have no idea. My grandparents don't know. My friends don't know. Like, my mom knows. My mom's the only one who, like, I surprised her also, so she knows now, like, the whole thing, but she didn't know initially. She just knew that she thinks that, sorry, I thought I wasn't recording, but my mom thinks that because she's actually coming here this weekend because I was asking her to come help me move into a different apartment, and she knows that I've been wanting to get a house, but she doesn't know that, like, I'm getting one. Like, she knows I've been looking and stuff, but, like, no one knows. Like, everybody knows, well, not everybody, but, like, my family, no. My siblings, my mom, my dad, and like my closest friends know that I've been like wanting to get a house, but they don't know like that I got a house or that I was looking or whatever. They just know like it's something I've said, like I really want to get a house. So my mom thinks that she is coming this weekend to help me move into an apartment, but I'm gonna tell her today after I close. Like once I close, I'm gonna send them a picture with the key in like the house and be like, guys, bought a house? And they're gonna be like, what? They're not gonna believe me. So I'm just gonna say, guys, I bought a house, and they're gonna be like, what are you talking about? No, you didn't. And then I'm gonna show the picture, and they're gonna be like, oh my god. So that's gonna how I'm gonna tell like everyone. So I'm excited to surprise everyone. Okay, this is my outfit. It's giving very, because the girls are hidden, black, sleek, elegant. I'm gonna go with the Delina today because, or I'm sorry, Delina, with the Yara perfume. Guys, stop looking at my nails. The Yara perfume, because I feel like it's just gives grown, it gives sexy, it gives, I'm coming to buy a house, woman in charge, okay? Wait, I'm gonna throw on, guys, because what screams more grown and sexy, woman in charge, than a little trench coat? Okay, can I get a moment for it? I'm coming to buy a house, thank you. Hey, okay, I just got here 15 minutes early, might I add. Yeah, but I'm about to go inside. I don't have anyone here with me because it's Tuesday at 2 and everyone works except for me because I'm a nurse. So I'm gonna go in. Hopefully I can get some pictures and stuff. I'm not gonna record in there, I don't think, but I am very excited. Okay, very excited. I'm very tired. I'm just gonna go in now, so hopefully they let me like start early so I can leave early. But okay, I'll let you guys know how it goes, and when you see me again, hopefully I'll be a homeowner. I just bought a house. I just bought a house. Oh my god. Okay, I just made it. What is that? Okay, I just made it to the model home. I'm about to pick up my keys. I'm about to unlock my doors to my own home for the very first time. Oh my god. Okay. This is insane, literally. Oh my god. I'm gonna do a home tour when I have stuff more put together. I'm not gonna show you guys now, but honey, I'm home. I'm standing in my own kitchen. I'm in my own home that I bought, that I have the keys to. Don't look at my nose. This is, I'm so grateful to God. I want to cry, but I'm not going to. I'm so happy. I wasn't there with my glasses on because I was trying to be really studious, really smart, let it, you know, look professional. And I just feel like perfect. 10 out of 10, no. Okay, not what I said. Good morning, guys. Excuse my appearance, and I don't care what you have to say. Mind your business. I just woke up. In my own home that I paid for, that I bought, that I own, because I'm a homeowner. We have so much to do. I could not really vlog yesterday because literally we were moving all day and it was pouring rain because we're in like a winter storm. It was pouring rain, it was icing, it was freezing cold. So, but we literally moved all day from like 11 a.m. to like literally like midnight. Here's the state of my room right now. A mess, bathroom, a mess. Let me show you guys the living room area. It's like just stuff. There's just stuff everywhere. So we have to do a lot of unpacking and cleaning. And then they're gonna come and bring my fridge and washer and dryer soon.
Come on your phone. Girl, I brought my camera. It's dead. Dead as hell. What do you
Crispy. Hairstyles can't do that.
Right.
What? Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I should have this a long time ago.
No, for real.
Yeah, I feel like my face is like.
Right, snatch. It's already glowing. Like
Exactly. It was like that.
it's already glowing.
Period. Good morning. We are in, it's like 8:30 this morning. I didn't vlog at all yesterday besides like the food you guys saw and stuff. It was a long day. I'll tell you guys about it later, but look at my view. My view is unreal. This is our villa. It's so private, so perfect. Literally just us. And like we have like our little like breakfast station. We can have like a little nook. We have our little balcony. And she's just perfect. So I'm obsessed. You know, me and vacation go together like whatever goes together. But I'm about to get ready for the day, so come on. Okay, I'm ready. We're gonna take pictures real quick and then we're gonna go to breakfast. Currently at breakfast. We're gonna get breakfast. Got these little smoothies, very good. And then look at the view. Wow. In the middle of nowhere walking. We don't know where the hell we are going. The view is really nice though. But we're gonna have to come back with our guide because oh my god. It's beautiful though. Roti shop. I've been wanting to try this place, guys. Okay, I got, we both got beef rotis, and then I got this like natural juice thing. Everything about this island is picture perfect. We're with the locals today.
We have the Sammys with them about house music.
Made in a pizza on the beach. Here's my view. Oh, this is so pretty.